start with our entry-level ALPHAline and the XT70 Extended. These cutting discs, which are aimed at the cost-conscious professional, offer the same level of reliability and safety as our other products. The XT70 Extended is designed for high cutting speeds and completes 25 cuts in V2A structural steel in 1 minute and 59 seconds. But we did use up 44% of the disc to do this. We developed PROline for users who need a higher quality disc for jobs in manufacturing and the skilled trades. Alongside speed and an improved service life, these discs offer a good price-performance ratio as well as cost-effectiveness. For 25 cuts, we needed 2 minutes and 12 seconds, but used up only 22% of the disc. Professional users who need the best service life, working comfort, and cost-effectiveness should take a look at our TOPline. With the XT10, we completed our test in 2 minutes and 13 seconds, so this only took slightly longer than before, but we save on setup time because we only used up 10% of the disc. A slightly faster and easier cut is offered by TOPline discs in combination with our Ceramicon technology. This offers an aggressive, light, and fast cut, plus smooth, vibration-free operation, and very little sparking. The figures speak for themselves, 2 minutes and 5 seconds with only 10% wear. These differences are not only the result of various grain qualities plus different types of corundum and ceramic grain, but also the choice of matching bonds and active grinding additives. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.